Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you yet another project that we can make with our simple Python knowledge. This might be two, but we'll see depending on the time and depending on time and if I can get everything done quickly, then we might do another project, or that might be in another video, that might be for another day. So this one is fairly simple. It's probably not as simple as the odd or even project, but it should be as simple as the random number generator. So in this one, what we're gonna do is I am just going to, once again, I'm gonna open PyCharm. So PyCharm, and let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Okay, so now it became visible to us. My screen just went black and it opened up again. Yes, this is an HTML, and yeah, so if you want to look at everything that's going on, I guess we could update. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to update, wait, and I'll see you right then. Okay, so it's just validating the installation right now. Before it was just, updating and preparing everything. It's backing up, it's applying the patch, so I'll see you probably when this is all updated and restarted. Okay, so it's done and it's reopening my files. I'm just gonna close this and this and this. Okay, so let's look through. I do not have it, so I cannot show you what we're gonna make, but you might have already seen in the title. It's conversion. We'll name it conversion.py. Okay, that's good. Let's do that. Okay, now, so let's see what we're gonna be doing. So what we're gonna be doing is that all I'm gonna be doing is we're just gonna be converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let me just show you the formula that we need for that. So the formula needed is, I know it by heart, but if you guys want proof, then yes, I can show you. Okay, so if you guys want proof that oops, why did I do that? Okay, so if you guys want proof that this is actually the thing, then it's proof. Just 1 second. Can go like that. Okay. Yes, Blender. Actually, let's get into Chrome. So minimize that. Make this bigger. Yes, JavaScript. Let's close this. We'll keep this open. Okay. So this, right? Now, so formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so the formula is 32, or if the Fahrenheit is 32, so it's F minus 32. I'll zoom in. Okay, so F minus 32 times 5/9 is 0, is the C. So it's all good. That is the formula that we're going to be using. And now we can find the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's basically just flipped around. C times 9/5 plus 32. Okay, so now that we have all of that sorted out, let's actually get into the coding part. Okay, so what we want to do with this, okay, so what we want to do with this is we want to say that, okay, ask if they want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and if they say Celsius to Fahrenheit, take the Celsius and then convert it into Fahrenheit, and then print out the Fahrenheit. Okay, and if not, then the other way around. So, what we want to do is first we want to say, conversion, actually, how to convert. We'll set this equal to the input of, do you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? Is that how you spell it? Fahrenheit. Okay. Fahrenheit, or the other way around. And we'll put a colon in the space, and that's good. So now we'll say if how to convert is equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we want to say that Celsius is Celsius is equal to the input of what is the temperature in Celsius. Excuse me. So I put the mic up. And we want to say that Fahrenheit is equal to, remember, int, because we want to make it into numbers. So int Celsius it was times 9/5 plus 32. So that would be times, let's just put parentheses around this, 9/5 plus 32. Okay, now we can say print Fahrenheit for now. Okay, so for now, let's just do this, and you can comment this out right now. Oops, that's JavaScript. Comment out. Okay. Now, yeah, it's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we can just say run conversion. Okay, let me put this screen down. Let's see, put the screen. Okay, that's better. Let's see, let's make this much bigger. Okay, that's good. Do you want to convert to Celsius to Fahrenheit, or the other way around? Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. What is the temperature in Celsius? Let's just say 0. 32. Good. Okay. Now let's try without the parentheses. Oh yeah, by the way, the keyboard shortcut for running it is Shift F10. Do you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit? Celsius to Fahrenheit. Temperature in Celsius. Say 0. Okay. So it will add this because this is a float. Here, let me zoom in. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Zoom in. Okay, this is a float. If I just printed out that 9/5, 9 divided by 5, you'll see if I say Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, if I just say like 3, it doesn't matter what I say. Okay, so you can see that this right over here, that thing is 1.8. And the other way around, so Phi 9, so Shift F10, Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can see the temperature in Celsius of 23. So you can see this is a float, right? Because it's, yeah, I think you get it. Because it's decimals. So that's why it's putting a 0. That's why it's putting that 0.0 at the end of this. So we'll put it back to Fahrenheit. And actually we'll say the temperature right now is, and then we say is plus Fahrenheit plus, and then we can just say degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's good. Now we want to say, let's minimize this. Then we'll say that elif, how to convert is equal to Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then we'll say we want to do Fahrenheit. We want to set it equal to the input of what is the temperature in Fahrenheit. Man, I'm getting tired of typing the same word over and over again. And now we'll say Celsius is equal to, let's just not copy that, int Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. Then we want to say print the temperature right now is, then we'll say Celsius, and then we'll say degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, the reason I did an elif statement is because what if they say something else other than Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit? So we're going to say else, we're going to set this equal to print please say Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Try again. And let's not put the try again. And then we'll make this into a function. No, that's very silly, but I guess we have to. No. You will not make that into a function. We'll make the whole thing into a function. Okay, so we'll say def conversion, no parameters, and then we'll take all of this code, we'll say tab, bam, and now we'll say conversion. Okay, and let's run. Let's call conversion, and I think we're good to go. So let's see. Let's run our program. Okay, so let's run our program and say ASDF. Okay, so it works. Now let's say Fahrenheit to Celsius. Let's see. What is the temperature in Aurora right now? What is the temperature in, let's say Chicago. 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's say 77. Whoa. Oh. I forgot, my bad. String. A lot of string conversions and integer conversions. But yeah, that's the. Okay. Okay, good. Now, Fahrenheit to Celsius. 77. 25 degrees Celsius. Oops. Let's pull that back up. Let's pull this up. Yeah, it is 25 degrees Celsius. That's what Google says, and that's what our program says. So our program works. It's really good. We finished it in 20 minutes, so I guess we have time for my other program. Okay, so my other program or project, it's a bit complicated, but it's about as easy as this. So, you know, passwords, right? like when I close this computer, I have to put in a password. And we're gonna write the code that says that asks the user to set a password, and then asks the user, or it asks the user to put in a password, right? So it's kind of like a game where it's like guess the password or guess the string. So let's just make that guess the string. Okay, so we'll make another project. Say new, we'll make it a new Python file, not HTML file. It's a new Python file. And I have no idea what Python unit test or Python stub does, so I don't even want to click on that, but sure. Let's say name. Name would be password guessing. Okay, so we've created something. It's called passwordguessing.py. Wait a second. Okay, that's good. Leave the conversion open, except we'll put that over here. We can minimize this. Okay, so we'll just jump right into it. So password is equal to the input of please put in a password. Okay, now you can say that's cool. Now what we want to do is that we want to say that, okay, now we want to ask for the password. Okay, so this password, if we it's not gonna be so complicated, because even I don't know how to store things when you like X out of this and then you come in. I don't know how to store this like that, so we're just not gonna do it that way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say print. Well, we're gonna import time. I know it seems a bit silly to be importing time, like time. Isn't it already there? No. So we're gonna say import time, and we're gonna say time.sleep, and we're gonna say 1 second. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna say, well, let's say 1.5. So what this is gonna do is it's going to wait for 1.5 seconds, and then it's going to run the code after. So time.sleep 1.5, and then we'll say that print now tell someone else to guess the password. And then we're gonna say time.sleep 0.5. Oops, 0.5. Input. What do you think the password is? Okay. Now we'll say, oops, password is. Okay. Now let's store this in a variable called password guess. Okay. Hold up. Excuse me. Okay. Let's say password guess. And now we're going to say if password guess is not equal to password, then print try again. This password is invalid. And then I guess we're gonna say pass I don't want to put it in a function because that's just like, come on. So we're just gonna say password guess. I think you can do that. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's run password guessing. Let me put my screen down. Oops, put my screen down. Okay. So please put in a password. ESDF. Now tell someone the password. Oh, okay. What do you think the password is? Say R. Try again. This password is invalid. Okay, so it doesn't work. And I have another bug. Is that this thing is not being like hidden. So let's go to my Hangman game. Let's see. La 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 la. Yeah, all my words. Blah. Yeah, we'll say length. Okay. So what we're gonna do after this is we're gonna say length equals len password. And we're gonna say, what is it? Display equals asterisk times length. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say show, and we're gonna make this equal to oops. Okay, I'm gonna make show equal to this times length. Let's see if we can run this program again. SDF. Dang it, it doesn't hide. Okay. Let's see. Let's run Mr. Hangman. Run Hangman. Okay. So apparently it wants my name. We'll give it my name. I'm gonna say my USH. Game begins. This is your word. Okay. Random dot choice secret word. Secret word. Ling. Print. Welcome. Best of luck. Blah blah. Game begins. Count equals 0. Display. Okay. Enter your guess. Car. She. Oh my god, there's so many. H. A. Oops, A. Okay. Wait, what? D? What? Okay. You can see I fiddled around with it. Display equals display index plus guess plus display index plus 1. I have no idea how I did that. Oof. Okay. And then we're gonna make password equal to show. Actually, let's just print out show. We'll run Mr. Password. ASDF. Okay. Now we'll say, well, we can't say, that the password is equal to show, because then we'll have to guess, asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. So, what we want to do is we're gonna say, can we say replace? I don't think we can. Okay, let's see what I did in Hangman. If word equals asterisk times length. What? Wait, I want to see if I can do something. No, I can't. Okay. Okay. So I do not think it's possible to not see the password. So what we're gonna do is we are just gonna leave it at that, and we're gonna say that, yeah, okay. Just put your hand over it, and I challenge you to do this because I do not know how to do that. Okay, so this, and then else, just, I don't know, put this in a function. Def, guess, no parameters. It's gonna be equal to this. Oops, tab. That's better. Let's see. Guess. Let's run it. Okay. Guess. Okay. Else. Print. Good. Oops. Good job. You won. Okay. So that's good. We can stop. Rerun. Say ASDF. Wait. ADKK. Ha 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 ha. Oh man. Let's just see. Return password. Guess. Oops, guess. Okay. That should be good. And we can run it. SDF. S. Bruh. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this will not work. So okay. Take this out. Move that in and okay. Now this should work. Try again. Okay. So you can run it again. ASDF. Oops. So what if we do? Good job. You won. Okay, so that's 2 projects in one video. So we're running high at about 40 minutes right now. So yeah, I'll leave you alone and try to make projects on your own. And yeah, okay, guys. So I will see you the next time I make a video. Please leave a like if you liked this video. Please dislike if you didn't, and subscribe if you want to. Turn those bell notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video.